deers.
That's a baby. It's got spots.
Run! Yeah, more scary looking. Went too slow for him, I guess.
Maybe. I bet they'll come up to the campsite though.
It's level enough. Chalk it up.
Huh?
Chalk it up.
Oh, really?
Yeah, we're good.
Yeah.
It's only gonna roll backwards.
Listen, I'm the one who's got to get food together.
All right. Yeah, that's right. You gotta feed us. I can do this. How easy. Put it right there. Give it a kick. That'll do it. Don't need that.
Okay.
I got a foot.
You with it.
I've got a foot.
Huh?
I've got a foot I can use.
Uh-huh. I'll fill out.
Dark in there.
Well, I'm waiting for somebody to give me some electricity.
Okay, I'll plug it in. Plug her in. You got it.
Okay.
Stick that in there now.
Don't that adapter come off?
Yeah. Give a good yank.
I can't. Yeah.
Been on there a while, huh?
Easy, isn't it? Struggle, come on. Give it a good yank.
Yeah. Little girl in there would have got that.
No.
Too much for a little girl.
Too much for an old woman, too.
There you go. Plug her in.
But don't lose that adapter. I have to have it when we go home.
That's right. Goes right here. That'll work. Flip the switch, we ought to have fire. Perfect's good enough for me. All that. It ain't gonna rain. Waste my time doing that, I guess. You never know. Weatherman's never right here, is it?
No, but I'm gonna let you put that up.
Put it up. Got any biscuits in there?
Well, technically I do.
You do?
Yeah, I brought biscuits.
What do you want for them?
Can't afford it.
We're all set up now.
Oh, you think?
Almost. Nothing to do now but eat and sleep.
Sit.
And sit. Sit, eat, and sleep. You know how to do that? You're an expert.
Yeah. I want you to assist in any manner, but you're going to.
Nothing I can do. I'm not that smart.
Yeah, you see those little holes on the inside of them legs?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's too complicated for me.
No, it's not.
I still don't want
Okay.
this expert.
An expert? Well, you're making better progress than I thought. We'll see how well you do on another one in a minute.
I'm going to show you how to build a fire just like an Indian does. I'm part Indian.
Which part?
At both sides. Let's see. You gotta pick out some sticks. You rub it.
Well, look at you, Geronimo.
Got dirty. That'll work.
Chips. And
Hot
there's
dog,
beans.
they ain't good for you. If I die, it's probably because I eat this hot dog.
A little bit too far away.
Good.
I'll stand here. That actually feels pretty good.
I have to cook my own hot dog. That ain't my hot dog. It's my hot dog.
Well, you have to also put it together too. You gonna be able to handle that? A bottle of water for us popping.
My chair about to fall. Think it's hot? Hey, mine looks good. Where's my bread?
I'm there with the fork.
Oh, it's hot. See if it tastes good now.
Well, it don't taste good because you cooked it, remember?
Too much bread.
Yeah, I know. That's what I just said.
Yeah, I'm a good cook. Good eating. Didn't even burn it.
That's a campfire experience there. Camping's just not camping without a campfire.
You chopped all that wood.
Some old
Old man. Indian?
Some old Indian.
Yeah, some old Indian.
At least that's what he said.
What are you eating?
Same thing you're eating, pretty
Hot
much.
dog?
Yep.
Pork and beans?
Except mine's a little bit more charred than yours.
Yeah.
Yeah, throwing away the extra ends. So, some squirrel or something will find it.
Good.
It's always better when you cook it by fire.
That's right.